Good morning, all. Today we'll be discussing about a new topic that is IPR or intellectual property rights. Now, what is intellectual property right? It is a right which arises from the property which is created by a human being. That is, if a human has created a property or an artistic work or a creation is done by a human being, locking that creation from being copied by others or imitated by others is called as intellectual property right. Or in simple terms, it can be explained as the right of a person to make sure that his creation is not being copied or imitated by anyone else. Say, for example, we know there are different logos which is created by companies. There are different names which is therefore different brands. There are different designs which is created by companies. There are different advertisements which is created by companies. And these things will be locked under intellectual property right to make sure that no one else is copying this. That right which each and every individual has is called as intellectual property right or IPR. Intellectual property right is of two forms. One is the property right which is given to literary and artistic works. Say, for example, the painting of a person, the song which is sung by a person, the song which is written by a person, the movie which is created by a person, the lyrics which is written by a person, the drawings of a person. These are literary or artistic works. Second is an industrial property, that is a product which is manufactured by a person in an industry. These are the two types of intellectual property rights. And as we pointed earlier, the intellectual property right is divided into two categories. And the first one is literary and artistic works. Literary and artistic work, as the name suggests, it includes books, paintings, musical compositions, plays, movies, programs, performances, and all other artistic works which is done by an individual. They can be protected under intellectual property right by using copyright. So the protection which is given by intellectual property rights for artistic works is called as copyright. So here the creator of an artistic work, he can make sure that no one else is copying his creation by the way of copyright. And the second category of intellectual property right is for the interest, protecting the interest of industrial properties. Now we have discussed earlier what industrial property is. Anything which is manufactured in an industry or creation of a product which is for sale is called as industrial property. So industrial property describes a physical matter that is a product of an idea or concept for commercial purpose. How can it be protected? If it is a product, if it is an object, it can be patented. That is, the producer can take patent for that object. If it is a logo, then he can take trademark. The name given for protecting the logo created by an organization is called trademark. Then if it is for the design of that particular product, say for the shape, the color of that particular product, then it is for industrial designs. It can be protected by using industrial designs. Then if it is for the mixture or the composition of that particular product, the ingredients of that particular product, then it can be protected for by giving trade secrets. Then the layout design and by geographical indications. In these always different compositions or different elements of a particular product can be protected from copying. That is, in these, if the product is having these patents or these intellectual property rights, then the producer should not reveal the trade secret behind this. Or say, for example, if the design, is being patented, if the design has intellectual property right, then he can claim that if any other company uses the design, he can go for the court of law. He can file a suit against that company. Say the trade secret, that is the composition of a product. If he has patented that, if he has the taken the intellectual property right in that, then the producer should not or need not give the composition, that is the ingredients, to the public. He can keep it as a secret. These are the help which the industrial property right gives to a particular producer of a particular product.